What's up, everybody? Optic FOTL, pick your team number 4. Let's go pack by pack. Let me try and change the mojo and go pack by pack. Good luck. I don't like these packs. These packs are real funky. Good luck. Lime of Beasley. It doesn't even want to rip. Klingen. Pink Velocity of Wendell Carter to 79. Come on. Orange rookie for the Wolves. Nice Terrence Shannon for the Guam Chief. Staying hot. And Shireman behind that to 249. I'm sorry, 175. I'm getting all my numbers mixed up. These packs just like fall apart. It's crazy. Our auto? Ray Allen or Sean Kemp, of course, on the throwback for the Thunder. Guam Chief. 63 of 75, Sean Kemp auto. Saw on the rookies insert. Extra card. Hollow of AD, and there's a nice Bona. FOTL exclusive was sitting right up top for the Celtics. DeBow with a PC piece. There is Shireman to 14 color match. First off the print, 1 of 14. Nice hit for DeBow. Net Marvels of Wemby, and we were short a card on that one. Grant Williams, a nice Castle on the base. Hollow rookie. Ooh. Ingram. Thought it might have been Castle there. Yes, sir. Shea on the hollow, and there's a connect base. Naz Reid. Steph and Zach Edey on the base. I'm trying, Karam. I'm sorry. I know. Nothing's really been coming out. We had one nice box, and that was it. Black Velocity. Derek Jones Jr. for the Clippers. Kyle. These pack by packs are not doing it for me. Red. Dame time for the Bucks. That was interesting. Bro, my fingers are so sore from like wiping down cards. You know, like you're wiping and you put not a lot of pressure, but you're putting pressure against your index. Oh. Even at PSA, my finger was like sore. I think my finger is getting muscles. Aqua of Mitch Robinson. That one wasn't that great. Recap coming, guys. Recap. FOTL PYT number 4. Number 5 is hitting the screen next, guys. So will be our last few breaks of the day. I'll need your help to push them through, guys. Thank you, everyone.